What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial, the battle at Big Rock Allosaurus. So this is like an Allosaurus that's like blue, kind of different kind of design. Looks much more aggressive or something, and it's got like blue coloring on it and lots of scars. So let's give it a go. Focus on the head for this one. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We will start with the eye. Yeah, we start with the eye. Right, so this standard sort of eye curve line on top. Like so, and then a curve line at the bottom. Down to there. Iris. Round, like so. And then pupil in the middle. So we've got a circular pupil for this dinosaur. Sometimes they're like just lines. Right, so then we got like some eye lines and stuff just coming around here. Texture on all these. Right. So this is like a heavy frown sort of section, right? Like a big frowning eyebrow sort of thing. Goes up, down that way, right? All lines down there. And this seems to come to like a point, sort of just on the front of the face here. And then we bring it back up above the eye, and this kind of gets a bit spiky at some point, right? So starts to get spiky here, and this is a line that goes up the middle of it. So this appears to just come down like so, right? And then you'll have sort of these like texture lines on all this. Right, like so, and then like the corner of the eye. Okay, like this big frowning sort of lines here. Okay. Right, so now our Allosaurus has a big fin that comes off the top of the head, right? So it's this like jaggedy sort of eyebrow sort of thing, right? And this comes along the front of the snout all the way down the front here. Right, and then it has another line just coming back. Right, like so. And then the nostril will just be here, like for the nose where he breathes out. Like that, right? And then we have another one that sticks out the other side of the head. Right, textures on them like that. And then this comes down to the front of the snout here. So then we go down for the front of the mouth. And then this will come around the bottom. And this will be a sort of a bumpy kind of line. So all the teeth stick out of here. Okay. We go down the back of the mouth. Goes all the way back like a big sort of Joker type smile. right? And then this comes around for the skull, and then back up around to these spikes up here. Right, so that's like the top of his head, right? So we just got to add like a couple more texture lines and skin lines and stuff that come across the top lip, and then like there's loads of scars here at the front. There. And then right, like that. Loads of scars on him. Crazy amount of scars. And like some skin around the nostril and coming down here. Coming across the mouth. Right, and then of course we have that, and dinosaurs like this. We've got this sort of round sort of section here. And then you could add like some scales. Right, so you can make them as bumpy and sort of gnarly looking as you want, and then just add his lip sort of area, these lines coming along the top of the lip. Like so. So that's the top of the head. So then the bottom, coming down here for the bottom jaw, all the way out to the chin. Go out a bit further here. This will be a scar as well. We'll put a scar here. Okay, and then this just goes back. Like so. Like more, there should be like some more scars because he got like sliced along his face here. Right, like that. So then like just some more sort of texture lines and stuff, his bottom lip line. This sort of bumpy line coming down here. Okay, and then we just need to add like all the teeth, right? So we'll start at the bottom. Oh yeah, and the skin flap. There's like a skin thing here that holds like his mouth together. Right, and then teeth. Excuse me. Bad cough. Tickle in my throat. There at the front, and then at the top. Right, like so, and then we can see the tongue sort of curving out here, right? So it's like sticking out of the mouth here, down behind the teeth. back into the back of the mouth there. You'll have like another sort of skin line or something here, and then like maybe the skin for the tongue and stuff just there, and then some teeth on the other side of the mouth, right? Like so. And some teeth we should see sticking down the other side of his mouth here as well, at the back of these teeth. Like so. And then like the mouth inside. Like so. Okay, so top of the head then comes out from these spikes here, and these have all like spikes on it going down, right? So all these sorts of shark fin type things coming down the neck. Right, lots of them, and then going down the back, right, like so. So, line for the head just coming down here. And then this will have like a couple more layers of spikes kind of coming down this way. Right, so, and you can do as much of this spike kind of stuff as you want. And then all these lines going down on the neck. Right, so then the front of the neck comes out from the chin, just kind of here. Right, just kind of under the eye sort of area. Like so. And then we have like some more dark sort of necklines. You know, these veins that dinosaurs have on their necks. So like this kind of thing, right? It's quite a thick line. So you want to darken it up a bit. And then more sort of texture lines just coming down his skin here, and like coming around the neck as well. Right, so just darkening up some edge lines now. Right, there you go. Battle at Big Rock Allosaurus. Of course, like blue all coming down here when you're coloring. So, hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.